Good evening, investors. We are ArcSeven Technologies. My name is Somnath Suresh, Chief Operating Officer, and this is my colleague, Cody Watson, Chief Executive Officer. And today we're here to talk about our product, Blue Box. So what do we have for you today? I'll be talking a little bit about our company and our background. I'll dive into a little bit about our actual product, the market, and then Cody will talk a little bit more about the market. He will talk about the sales plan and have some numbers for you that you might be interested in. So what is our actual product, Blue Box? Blue Box is a revolutionary omnidirectional camera-aided collision detection and a theft detection system. So basically, on the collision detection side, it would record 30 seconds before a collision and 30 seconds after a collision and store it in a flash memory. And on the theft detection side, should anyone were to break into your car or your vehicle, basically it would take a picture of the perpetrator and would remote upload it through the simple cellular GSM network. So our product aims to encourage safe driving among our consumers. And it also reduces insurance rates because it reduces the claim fees for the insurance. And of course, our target is not consumers, but our target is actually to target enterprise and automobile fleets. So basically companies that have company cars out on the road. And we believe that we can generate a return on investment of 414% at the end of year 3. So ArcSeven Technologies promises to do 3 things for our investors. The first thing is to drive positive profits. The second one being a cost leader in the marketplace. And the third one being generating positive return on investment. I don't know why the slide is not working, but now it is. So not only will we use our product to do this, we also want to highlight the fact that we want to use our mission and values of our company. So basically our mission is to combine new technologies and use it in pretty unique ways, and also to make sure that we lower and manage the cost of managing enterprise fleets out on the road. And as for our values, we want to have continuous improvement, practice the philosophy of Kaizen. We want to avoid complacency. And of course, we want to protect the environment with ROHS compliant products that are recyclable. And as for our management, we have a very balanced management team consisting of 2 business students and 4 amazing engineers. And on the business side, it's myself and Cody, and we're well versed in things such as marketing, sales, accounting, and finance, and also business process analysis and design. And our engineers are quite the experts when it comes to biomedical and computer engineering. So what about our board of advisors? So we plan to seek different kinds of advisors. We have a very cross-functional and a multifaceted board of advisors. So basically, we can get information on business development, engineering when it comes to hardware and software, the telecommunications industry for the remote uploads, and also a step into the automobile industry using the BCAA contact. So what is the actual market need for our product? We've identified 2 special needs for the product. The first one being insurance providers. There's a high cost of claims investigation when it comes to insurance, and we plan to lower, and there's a need to actually lower that insurance claim cost. And as for the fleet managers, when it comes to automobiles, they want to they want to reduce employee and customer negligence risk, and at the same time, they want to make sure they discourage the illicit use of their company and enterprise vehicles. So what does our market entry plan look like? The timeline here, the numbers actually represent months in our first year. So basically, we will be spending 3 to 4 months in the actual development of the product, 5 months for the product testing and quality measures and control, and lastly, we will be planning to launch the product at the 13th month as in the beginning of the second year. So future products, are we just going to stop at Blue Box? Definitely not. Using or leveraging our company, we identified 2 special markets. One of them being the fleet management, and then the other one being the consumer market. So under the fleet management, we have our Blue Box, and under the fleet management, we also plan to introduce further vehicle electronics. And under the consumer side, maybe a little bit of spin-off on the Blue Box consumer flavor. And as for Blue Box, we will continue to add and provide software add-ons, and as well as product variations depending on the needs of our market. And now I'd like to pass it off to Cody to talk about our competitors. Cody?
Fantastic. Thanks, Tom. So we have 5 competitors currently in the marketplace. 4 of our competitors are actually targeting the consumer market. So they have very simple products that are low cost and do not hold a lot of features for the consumer. Our final competitor is Onboard Systems EDR system, which is very similar to our product. However, it does not offer the same data integrity features as our product and is offered at a higher price. In terms of competitive positioning, you can see here our consumer competitors and our OBS EDR. We have positioned ourselves in between the 2. So we are making it affordable for fleet management companies to bring our product into their vehicles, as well as offering superior data integrity features, such as the remote uploading aspects, should the device get thrown from the vehicle in a horrific accident or stolen in the event of a theft. We have 4 primary competitive advantages, which should be showing up right now, but it's obviously frozen. The first competitive advantage is that we have 360-degree viewing. This is not a defendable competitive advantage. However, only one of our competitors has this feature, and it does position us up there with that necessary feature. The second feature is a competitive advantage is superior data integrity. So we intend to have a titanium housing so that the data recorded by the system is not destroyed in the event of an impact. We will be seeking a patent for our product which encompasses the integration of cameras, communication equipment, and the accelerometer technology which enables us to record in the event of an accident. And finally, we have a strong management and advisory team. Myself and Somnath and our 4 engineers and our board of advisors are here to bring this product to market and make sure that it wins. Our pricing is $700 retail. We expect to sell an average $575 through our sales force in year 1. This will decline over time because of quantity discounts. And we have an average third-party sales price of $525 through distributors. We have a gross margin of 69.5% in the first year. There are approximately 7.6 million vehicles, fleet vehicles in North America, of which the majority are in the United States. The majority of fleet vehicles are between 15 to 1,000 or more units per overall fleet. Our marketing plan is to focus on our core benefits. First, we want to engage in public relations and publish a series of white papers that illustrate how our product is going to benefit our customers. Second, we want to attend trade shows so we can speak directly one-on-one with these customers and explain why our product is the best. Third, we want to advertise in industry publications such as fleet management publications, taxi publications, and so forth. And finally, we want to form partnerships with insurance agencies so that they can cross-promote our product and so that they can communicate the benefits of having lower insurance rates with Blue Box in their vehicle. Our sales plan involves 2 channels. We intend to have distributors selling to fleets with between 15 and 99 vehicles, and our sales team will sell to fleets with 100+ vehicles. Time? Okay. Thank you for your time, and if there are any questions, we'd be glad to. Yeah.